As Mike prepared for another day assessing safety risk on construction sites, he thought of his father, who lost an arm in a work accident years ago. Things had improved since then, but there were still too many workers injured or killed on the job. On World Day for Safety and Healthy at Work, Mike was committed to raise awareness to prevent such tragedies. World Day for Safety and Healthy at Work on April 28 promotes the prevention of occupational accidents and diseases. It was initiated by the International Labour Organization in 1996 to focus attention on emerging and ongoing issues in workplace safety. For many, work continues to pose dangers. Over 7,500 people die from work-related accidents or diseases around the world each day. For Mike, workplace safety is personal. As a safety inspector, he works to identify and eliminate hazards to help workers make it home safely each day. He knows that many tragedies can be prevented through proper safety management and a focus on risk assessment and worker training. A safe and healthy work environment is a basic human right and also has economic benefits, reducing costs from injuries, illnesses, and lost productivity. On World Day for Safety and Healthy at Work, the UN launches an annual campaign to raise awareness around a specific occupational safety and healthy topic. Past campaigns have focused on issues like work-related stress, exposure to hazardous chemicals, and the importance of an aging workforce. These campaigns bring together governments, employers, workers, and other organizations to share best practices and shape policies promoting workplace well-being. To honor this day, local governments and community organizations also hold events. Workers may organize rallies or invite experts to talk about healthy and safety topics relevant to their industry. Students participate in poster or video competitions highlighting important issues. Many workplaces organize special health and safety training for staff or reviewing equipment and procedures to ensure maximum protection. As Mike entered the chaotic construction site, the orange cranes and half-built structures towering overhead, he felt satisfaction in knowing this day brought global attention to the work he did daily. For every risk he identified, for every concern he raised, he was helping protect lives and livelihoods. He put on his hard hat, grabbed his checklist, and prepared to climb the rickety scaffolding, ears open and eyes keen for any trouble spots. Perhaps not every tragedy could be prevented, but together we were working to build a culture of safety to minimize dangers in workplaces around the world. This day and beyond, that was an effort worth making. April 28 is World Day for Safety and Healthy at Work. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a nice work day for safety and healthy at work. Cheers!